Our wealthiest, I'm afraid to say, actually need to pay more tax because they don't spend their income, and what we are going to desperately need over the next few years is more spending to stimulate the economy. So we may need more redistribution within tax, but overall, absolutely no tax increases. So we are talking, therefore, about some forms of borrowing. Now, first of all, the government can do more quantitative easing. In the coming year, it's going to spend £300 on borrowing. But the
move from Twitter. The retweet has since been deleted. Alex Azar, Mr. Trump's health secretary, said he'd not seen the footage, but he insisted now.
Sandra Mackenzie reports.
It's thought that 28-year-old Badruddin Abadla Adam from Sudan had been in the UK for several months. During lockdown, he lived with other asylum seekers in Glasgow's Park Inn Hotel. Al-Mahdi, a Sudanese charity worker, spoke to his family.
They are very shocked, actually, because of what he did, because they don't think that he can do something like that. They are very shocked and very sad for this. And also they are very sorry about these people who are stabbed and for their families as well.
105 billion on the basis of the last figures I've looked at go into pensions a year. Suppose we said that instead of ISAs going into cash deposits, which must
and family to help us be right there for everyone living with cancer.
Brewing the chef has been amazing. It's an experience that's gonna be there for a very long time. If you consider chef, go for it.